morning to all of you. How are you? Welcome in this first lecture on compulsory English BA third semester. So today we are talking about the poem An Old Woman written by the poet Arun Kolatkar. But before we actually start the poem, let us see the introduction to our poet Arun Kolatkar. Arun Kolatkar was a Marathi poet. We also call him an English poet. Now what is this? You call him Marathi poet, you also call him English poet. Yes. It is exactly correct statement about Kolatkar because we call Kolatkar a bilingual poet. A bilingual poet is a poet who writes in two languages. Kolatkar wrote in Marathi because he was from Maharashtra. He was a Maharashtrian, so he wrote in Marathi, and he also wrote in English. So we call him a bilingual poet. Kolatkar was born in the city of Kolhapur. Kolhapur, as we know, is a historical city in the state of Maharashtra. Kolhapur is associated with the name of Chhatrapati Shahu Maharaj. Arun Kolatkar, whose full name was Arun Balakrishna Kolatkar, was born in a patriarchal Hindu family. The family was living in a very simple house. The house was made of what we can say, the rooms had mud floors and plasters with cow dung, etc. So he was not from very rich family background. Kolatkar was educated at Rajaram High School in Kolhapur. Later on, he also went to JJ School of Art. Kolatkar was also a graphic artist. He began his career as a graphic artist. Later on, he also became a poet, but he was essentially a poet at his own heart. But the most surprising aspect of his life is that his life as a poet is that Kolatkar did not want to publish his poems at all. That is really shocking to us. He was a great poet. He has written considerable amount of poems into English. He was a translator as well, and then he did not want to publish his poem at all. So we call him a recursive figure in our literature. Kolatkar's the most popular poem was Jejuri. Now Jejuri came in 1976. So Jejuri is a long poem written by Arun Kolatkar. The poem is divided into 31 sections, and each section is a poem. Each section being a poem in itself and having a title of its own. Jejuri is actually a small town in western Maharashtra. Many of you might have already visited that place. Jejuri is world famous for the temple of Lord Khandoba, who was thought to be the incarnation of Lord Shiva, and many pilgrims, not only from the state of Maharashtra but also from the state of Karnataka, but also from other neighboring states, every year go there to offer their prayer to Lord Khandoba. Lord Khandoba is a well-respected god all across the state of Maharashtra. So people went there. Kolatkar had seen people went there, and he wrote several poems on that place. The purpose behind such poems is not to रिॲसर्ट याचा अर्थ आहे की पुन्हा एकदा ॲसर्ट करणे, पुन्हा एकदा त्याच्यामध्ये त्याला काय म्हणतो आपण की एक प्रकारे त्या विश्वासाला समर्थन देणे. ठीक आहे. द पर्पज बिहाइंड such poems is not to reassert faith in God, but to actually raise questions at such faith. Poems in Jejuri, they talk about certain aspects or certain picture which was associated with the temple of the place of Jejuri. Poem raises doubts at the in the faith at the faith of people, and in the Jejuri, Kolatkar present himself as a visitor. He is not basically a pilgrim. He went there as a visitor, and as a visitor who is actually from a city, he is not really interested in the idol worship, त्याला आपण मूर्ती पूजा म्हणतो, idol worship which was going on at the temple. He was not really interested in all those legends and myth associated with that place. In fact, he raised doubts at all those faiths and beliefs of people by raising certain types of questions there. So, Jejuri is indeed a controversial book by Kolatkar. Obviously, in India, not only in Maharashtra, we cannot talk about religious issues, customs, and traditions because those are seen as important part of our faith. So, raising questions at one's faith may put you in more trouble. So, we will not talk more about that issue. Kolatkar is indeed a controversial figure. He has become a controversial figure when he has written that poem, Jejuri. Jejuri also won the Commonwealth Poetry Prize, and it was later published in America in the NYRB Classic Series 2005. Kolatkar later on diagnosed with cancer. He had cancer and he could not live long. So before his death, he published two poems. The first was Kala Ghoda and the second was Sarpa Satra. Both the poems appeared in 2004. So Kolatkar was such a great poet, such a great artist. He was not only a great poet, but he was also a great artist, and he indeed a great figure in our literature. The most remarkable contribution of Kolatkar is that Kolatkar has translated poems of Sant Tukaram into English. So he was also a translator. Such a great poet. He was a poet. He was a bilingual poet, writing in Marathi as well as in English. He was a graphic artist, designer as well, and he was a translator as well. And indeed, the Sahitya Academy Award winning writer. He has also received the Commonwealth Poetry Prize for his Jejuri. So such a great writer, and indeed, though Jejuri was thought to be a controversial work, indeed Kolatkar has himself might not have believed in such superstitions, but we can say that Kolatkar contribution to Indian Indian writing in English will be really of great significance, great importance to all of us. Kolatkar also contributed to Kavi, Opinion, Literary Review, New Writing in India, and The Shell and the Rain. His long poem, The Boat Ride, was published in the magazine Danube. And the present poem, An Old Woman, oscillate between faith and skepticism. Kolatkar here present to us the picture of Jejuri. Especially whenever you go to Jejuri, it is common that you may be chased by a beggarly old woman as in the poem. So let us see the poem now.